Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are safe at home. Now, today I'm going to explain you the next exercise of our maths chapter, subtraction. We have completed till 3E in the last class. Now, today I'm going to do exercise 3F. Okay. You have already done estimation in the previous chapter also. In addition, by now you know how to do estimation. Same thing, same process, only this will be subtraction. So let's start. Exercise 3F, number 1. Those who have started writing in your maths notebooks, you can write in your maths notebook only. Okay, and those who don't have, you write it in some other notebook. Okay, exercise 3F, number 1. Find the estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest 10. That means here we have to round off to the nearest 10. And don't copy any question. Okay, those who are writing in your school notebooks, only the answer. Means exercise 3F, you will put today's date, 6th July 2020, 06/07/2020. Exercise 3F, CW, date, exercise 3F, number 1. A. 63 minus 42. We'll just copy it like this, 63 minus 42. So 63, nearest tens, see the ones place, 3. So it is less than 5. So this will remain as it is. 63 will be rounded off to 60. 42 will be rounded off to 40. Why? Because 2 is there in the ones place, less than 5. So 4 will remain as it is. So 60 minus 40, what will be the answer? 20. Answer. This is the estimated difference, children. This is not the actual difference. You can see the question. In the question it is asked estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest tens. They did not ask us to solve the actual difference. So we are only going to do the estimated difference. Next one, 78 minus 43. 78. 8 is more than 5. So 7 will be increased by 1. 7 will be increased by 1. So 80. 78 will be rounded off to nearest tens. That means 80. 43 less than 5. So 40. 80 minus 40. The answer will be 40. Very easy. Next one. 89 minus 29. You can do it on your own also. 89 will be rounded off to nearest tens. What will be the answer? 90. 29, 30, because more than 5 these two are. So 8 will go to 9 and 2 will go to 3. So 90 minus 30. What will be the answer? 60. D. 54 minus 29. 54. 4 is less than 5. So 50. 29. 9 is more than 5. So 2 will go to 330. 50 minus 30, 20. Please see properly. A, then B, then C, then D. It's very easy. Very easy. Next, E and F. E and F you will do it on your own. I'll send the answers, but you will do it on your own. Next, 2. Find the estimated difference by rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Now children, nearest hundreds means which place we are going to see? The tens place. Right? We are going to see the tens place. 513 minus 275. So 513. Tens place 1. 1 is less than 5. So 5 will remain as it is, 500. 575. Tens place 7. 7 is more than 5. Right? 7 is more than 5. So 2 will go to 300. So 500 minus 300 equal to 200. Very easy. Next one, B. 695 minus 387. 695 minus 387. 695. Tens place 9. So 6 will go to 7. 387. Tens place 8. More than 5 again. 3 will be 4. So 700 minus 400. What will be the answer? 300. 700 minus 400. The answer will be 300. Please see properly. You have to first read the question properly. What is it asked? Nearest tens or nearest hundreds? Number 1 was nearest tens. Number 2, nearest hundreds. See properly. Rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Next, 534 minus 412. 534. Tens place 3. So 5 will remain as it is. 500. 412. Tens place 1. Less than 5. So 4 will remain as it is. 400. 400. 500 minus 400 equal to 100. See, very easy. Next, D. 396 minus 110. 110. 396 minus 110. 396. Tens place 9. So 3 will be 4. 400. 110. Tens place 1. Less than 5. So 1 will remain as it is. 100. So 400 minus 100. 300. Till D I have done. E and F you will do it on your own. So number 1 E and F you will do it on your own. Number 2 E and F also you will do it on your own. So let's come to number 3. Read the question properly. 582 plants were kept in an exhibition. 582 plants were kept in an exhibition. There was an exhibition going on and 582 plants were displayed there. Now 325 plants were sold by the afternoon. By the afternoon means by 12 o'clock, 325 plants were sold. Another 96 plants were sold by the end of the day. So total how many were sold? 325 plus 96. And total there were 582 plants. Now if you add 325 plus 96 and subtract it from 582, will you get the number of plants left unsold? Yes, you will get it. And see in the bracket, don't forget to see it. Round off to the nearest tens. See children, I am again explaining you. Total there were 582 plants were displayed in the exhibition. Now by the afternoon, 325 plants were sold. By the end of the day, another 96 plants were sold. So total how many plants were sold? 325 plus 96. Total number of plants sold. And how many were there in the exhibition? 582. If you add 325 plus 96, that means you will get the total number of plants sold. And if you subtract it from the total number of plants, means 582, you will get the answer. That means you will get number of plants left unsold. But we have to round it off to the nearest tens. See how I have done it. See, you can do it in two ways. I have done it in this way, means from 582 I have subtracted first 330, then whatever answer I got, from that again I have subtracted 96 and then I did it. You can do it in another way also. You can add up this two and then subtract it from 580. Anything. Total number of plants 582. Now nearest tens, we will see the ones place. It's 2 less than 5. 8 will remain as it is. So 582 will turn to 580. Number of plants sold by the afternoon 325. 325 will be 330. Now number of plants left. 580 minus 330, 250 will be your 250 plants will be left in the afternoon. Now what happened by the end of the day? Number of plants sold by the end of the day, another 96. 96 nearest tens, 1's place 6. So 9 will turn to 10, 100. That means 100 plants were sold approximately. So number of plants unsold equal to 250 minus 100, 150. 150 plants. 150 is the approximate number of plants left. Please be very careful. This is not the actual number of plants left. This is the estimated number of plants left. Please see properly. Okay. Or another way you can do it. 330 plus 100, 430, and from 580 you can subtract it. 580 minus 430. 0, 5 minus 4, 1. See, the same answer will come. Either you can subtract 580 minus 330, 250, again 250 minus 100, 150. Or you can add the number of plants sold in the beginning only. 330 at first and then 100. 430 and then from 580 total number of plants you can subtract number of plants sold. You will get the approximate number of plants unsold. Clear? Now let's go to the next one. Last one, number 4. Pawan had rupees 383 with him. Total, that means Pawan had rupees 383 with him. He bought a notebook for rupees 175. That means out of 383, he spent rupees 175 on a notebook. Estimate the amount of money left with him. Subtract plain nearest tens. So, very easy. Don't copy the question, okay, children? Those who are writing it in your notebook, school notebook, don't copy the question, only the answer. Amount of money Pawan had, rupees 383. Now, nearest tens, we have to round it off. 3 is there. 8 will remain as it is, 380. Amount of money spent on a notebook, 175. Nearest tens, it's 5. 7 will be 8, 180. Therefore, amount of money left with him, 380 minus 180, the answer will be 200. Answer 200. Rupees 200, sorry. Rupees 200 is the approximate amount of money left with Pawan. This is not the actual amount of money left. This is the estimated amount of money left with Karan. Sorry, Pawan, sorry. See how I have done it? I'm also going to send the snapshot. Okay. So this exercise is completed. The next exercise 3G, we are not going to do it. Put a cross. The next day I'm going to explain you exercise 3H, and this will be the last exercise of this chapter, and then we will be finishing subtraction. So children, please practice it. Copy it down in your school notebooks. Those who have bought the school notebooks, those who don't have, you practice it in your notebooks which you use at home. Okay, and learn the tables. Repeatedly I am telling you, please don't forget to learn the tables. I'm reminding you again and again. Okay, we are going to meet in the next class again. Stay home and enjoy learning. Thank you.